I do not like cooking. The situation with my inmates is so that I have to cook with them. How to deal with the situation. Things have use. Things have a use which is specific to those things, but they can also be used for something else, and you need a good idea also means you need to be able to work with what is there, work with what you have, and just look at the things and see how they can be used for what you want, even though they are not necessarily designed for that particular purpose. And once you see it in your mind's eye that yes, I could use this to solve my problem, even though it is not designed for that, but I can use it. And that is just a practical application of the power to discern. This is NerdSpeak. I am happy to help.